हेलो गाइस, जय श्री राम।
जय श्री राम।
स्वागत करते हैं आप सभी दोस्तों का हमारे इस चैनल में पाकिस्तानी हिंदू रिएक्शन 2.0।
2.0।
तो जी कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग? उम्मीद करते हैं आप सभी लोग ठीक होंगे और हम भी भगवान से यही प्रार्थना करेंगे कि आप सभी लोग अपनी लाइफ में खुश रहो। तो आज की जो वीडियो है भाई बहुत ही कमाल की है।
जी, बिल्कुल।
और वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले आप सभी लोगों से निवेदन है, हमारे सेकंड चैनल जो मूवीज़ का हमने बनाया है, मूवीज़ पे रिएक्शन देते हैं। आप सभी लोगों से निवेदन है कि आप उस चैनल को भी उसी तरह सपोर्ट कीजिए जिस तरह आपने हमारे इस चैनल को बहुत
जी।
सपोर्ट किया। तो लिंक जो है उस चैनल का आपको हमारी इस वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी मिल जाएगा और हमारे चैनल के बायो में भी मिल जाएगा। तो विज़िट कीजिए जाके चैनल को, और अच्छा लगे तो सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिए और बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
जी।
और उसपे हमने राम सेतु मूवी देखी है, अब कल की मूवी भी देख रहे हैं और द लेजेंड ऑफ हनुमान सीरीज़ भी देख रहे हैं, जिसका सीज़न 1 देख लिया है, सीज़न 2 जो है कंप्लीट होने वाला है।
जी।
तो जाके ज़रूर देखिएगा। इसी के साथ आज की वीडियो भाई बहुत ही कमाल की होने वाली है। टाइटल आप सभी के साथ शेयर करेंगी रवीना जी।
बिल्कुल।
हाँ, तो बताइए।
जी। इंडियंस लग्जरीज़ ये कितने हैं?
मैं बता देता हूँ कोई बात नहीं। इंडियाज़ लग्ज़रियस $4,000
4,000 ट्रेन जर्नी।
$4,000 यानी ट्रेन जर्नी
हुँ।
5 डे साउथ इंडिया। इंट इंटी
इंटिनरेरी।
इंटीरियर पता नहीं क्या लिखा हुआ है यार। हमें इतने मुश्किल लफ्ज यार कहाँ से आते हैं? अच्छा छोड़ो। लेकिन जो ट्रेन का सफर है ये $4,000 में।
इंटरनरी।
इंटरनरी।
हाँ, ऐसे ही है।
हाँ, इसी तरह लिखा हुआ है। तो $4,000 शायद
भाई
इसकी टिकट है या पूरी ट्रेन $4,000 की क्या है?
क्या देखने से पता
हाँ,
चलेगा
तो हम
वीडियो।
वीडियो देखते हैं। तो बने रहे हमारे साथ इस वीडियो के एंड तक। लेट्स गो।
Today, we are boarding one of the most luxurious trains in India.
Wow!
It'll not only take us from point A to B, but it's a full board royal experience. And the price includes comfortable
Raja
rooms,
Maharajaon
dining,
wala.
drinks, and daily excursions. The train will take us on a tour of South India across 3 states in 7 destinations. जहाँ हम
अच्छा।
palaces, temples, backwaters, folk dance, and
फिर
बहुत
ticket
कुछ
होगी
unique
इसकी।
experience करेंगे. This is the Golden Chariot, and we are going to be on this for the next 6 days and 5 nights. So let's see what the experience is
6
like.
day और 5 night. Then
We are currently heading to the Yashwantpur railway station. Hello, hi, nice to meet you.
please.
Thank you. Wow, this is beautiful.
क्या बात है भाई।
So
इस तरह की ट्रेन हमने कभी जिंदगी में नहीं
this is our welcome train. And the mixologist on board
देखी। आज पहली दफा देखी।
was one of the highlights. So funny and entertaining. He made sure that we always had a good time. First day से ही मेरा तो entertainment शुरू हो गया. We are inside our cabin now, and this feels like a hotel room inside a train. I am amazed because you don't expect a full double bed in a
Yeah,
train. You don't expect a toilet. You don't expect a shower. And if this train was not moving, I would have actually assumed that this is a hotel room. And I'm just amazed that we are inside a room inside a
Ticket ही
train.
इसकी
Now that the
$4,000
train has
की।
started and we've been inside for a while, let me show you around.
So the first place where we entered the train from is the bar area, and this boasts of green, gold, brown and cream mustard interiors. Very beautiful, very plush. Also has a strip of mirrors in the very center and these ancient looking lamps on the side, and also some very beautiful ornate designs. So this is restaurant number 1 for Ruchi.
चलता फिरता घर है, बल्कि महल है, घर
This
नहीं।
one is restaurant number 2 called Nalapaka.
नारापाका?
Believe it or not, this train also has a spa area which is called the Arogya Spa. Like this is a massage room.
क्या बात है।
And over here, we also have
Gym.
a gym area. This feels like an actual hotel where you've got the gym, the restaurants, good food, where you can stay, where you don't have to take your luggage on or off. In just one place, you're traveling.
You know, my father was in the army when I was a kid, and flight travel to बहुत ही दूर की बात थी. We used to mostly travel by trains. Whenever one of these palatial trains and luxury trains used to pass us, my parents and I used to get so excited. This feels like such a full circle moment, and I can't believe that I get to enjoy and experience this train.
क्या बात.
Getting ready over here in a moving train was a true test of my skill level today, because it was honestly hard, but I'm so glad that there's such a nice light over here on this table.
Ladies and gentlemen, lunch is served in your cheap.
And with that, हमारा lunch call आ चुका है on day 1, and I'm looking forward to seeing what's going to be there for lunch and how the setup is going to look like.
बहुत सारे.
So now we've entered the lunch area. Amazing! We were given a menu to choose the meals from, and खाना तो अच्छा था ही, but this whole setup made me feel too special. Then we got briefed by the program coordinator, और मैं तो बस अच्छे बच्चों की तरह सुन रही थी, because this is going to be so exciting. So we are now in Mysore and heading for our first tour. This is one place that I've never been to before. I know it has so much to offer, like obviously the palace is there, then we have a lot of local markets. Mysore Park is so famous.
It'll be great tasting the Mysore Pak, and it'll be great having you watch me taste the Mysore Pak
Mysore
because you
Pak.
can't eat it.
So rude.
So the first place on our itinerary is the Mysore Palace, and this used to be the official residence of the Wadiyar dynasty and also the seat of the Kingdom of Mysore. This palace is in the very center of the city. In fact, the city is known as the City of Palaces, so this is the first of many that you'll get to see over here. But on the inside, this one is beautiful and intricately decorated.
The palace is designed by Henry
Yeah,
Irwin,
baat
and
hai,
it's one of
yeah.
the finest Indo-Saracenic architectures in India. We also have a historical golden throne inside, and it weighs 280 kgs. The interiors also have delicate chandeliers, stained glass ceilings, and frescoes depicting scenes from the Indian epics.
So inside the palace, हम लोग अपने जूते पहन के नहीं जा सकते, which is why we are now going to use, thank you so much, these foot covers. So our group over here has been given a cap, जो ईशान जैसे पहना हुआ है, and we've also been given shoe covers, bags with water. So next on our Mysore agenda is Mailari dosa. We were recommended by a friend, Ishan's friend Pranavi said, we need to come here and have some Mailari dosa.
This looks so good. Okay, cheers.
So this is crispy on the outside, but soft on the inside. And the best part is that the ingredients are super duper fresh.
Mysore Pak. Justice. मजा आ गया.
So now we're back to the railway station, and आज का दिन मुझे बहुत interesting इसमें लगा because we started from Bangalore, reached Mysore. We're just going from station to station and also getting time to explore, experience, take in, soak in, eat something. Guys, it's evening time now, and the both of us, like good kids, went to the gym first, and then we showered, and we've now made it for dinner. Thank you so much. Cheers. Our food just arrived. We've ordered for the Indian vegetarian meal, and there's a papadum, there's hara bhara kebab, there's rice, and then there's also some paratha. And Ishan has kadhai paneer and dal makhani as well. The mixologist on this train is amazing.
He has made us some custom drink, and this one is called Zuzu. I've already finished so much of it.
Doesn't feel like alcohol.
Wow, what is that?
Big Daddy.
Big Daddy. And what is this one?
I'm mad at you.
He's mad
क्या
at
चीज
me.
खा रहे हैं
No,
यार?
not that. I'm calling it a drink. This is a different, but this is a vodka based, this is a rum based.
For two people who don't drink much, Manjunath ji ने काफी अच्छे से mood set कर दिया, and then we went to sleep for the first time in our room inside the train.
हाँ बन
Wow, this is so beautiful. So this morning we left the train and we are here at Mahabalipuram, and the first site that we've reached is the Five Rath Temple, also known as the Five Chariots Temple. And this is a classic example of monolithic rock cut architecture, because each of these temples is created out of a single rock, and it's incredible. Look at the architecture, look at the sculptures, and the Five Rath temples that we get to see are the Dharmaraj, Bhim, Nakul, Arjun and the Draupadi Rath temples. Mango chili is the real deal. If I come to South India and I don't have raw mango chili, have I even experienced anything? So now we are at Krishna's Butterball, and the really cool thing about this place is that there's a huge granite boulder on an incline, and it's fully balanced from many centuries.
In fact, I think it's been 1200 years already. बहुत लोगों ने इस बोल्डर को आउट ऑफ सेफ्टी कंसर्न्स गिराने की कोशिश की, जैसे पल्लव डायनेस्टी के राजा नरसिम्हवर्मन, बट वो सक्सेसफुल नहीं रहे. एंड 1908 में ब्रिटिश गवर्नर आर्थर हैवलॉक ने 7 एलिफेंट्स बुलाए, जिनकी कंबाइंड पुलिंग पावर वाज 42 टन्स, बट ये ग्रेनाइट बोल्डर 1 इंच नहीं हिला. दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ अ रेयर जियोलॉजिकल फिनोमिनन कॉल्ड एक्सफोलिएशन, जो इस पत्थर को कार्व कर चुका है, एंड नाउ इट्स स्टक ऑन दिस हिल.
So Krishna's Butterball is actually 6 meters high and 5 meters wide, and it weighs 250 tons. And now we see people posing underneath it, relaxing underneath its shadows, and also trying to pose as if they're holding on to the weight of the boulder. And I think we should try and do that as well.
काफी साल पहले जो है आ जाता उसने ट्राई सही एक
Now it's midday in Mahabalipuram and it's so hot. Huh? So we have now reached Radisson through Mahabalipuram, where we're going to have lunch. Rice and rasam. I'm having some lotus stems ka starter along with bisibele bhat and rasam rice, and the food is so delicious. I'm so glad we have such a huge buffet spread. And I think this is the best part about the Golden Chariot, that they also have hosted meals for every meal, like breakfast, lunch, dinner. In fact, even right now for the hosted lunch, drinks are a part of the lunch. Mr. Ishan Joshi and Miss Tanya Khaniju. Alright guys, before anything, now that the room is a little bit more lived in, now is when I want to give you the room tour and show you around. Because we're inside a train, all rooms are actually standard size. There are 44 rooms in total, and each one of them has an attached bathroom. We have some very comfortable bed sheets, comforter, pillows. Most of our luggage has gone underneath the bed because there's space underneath. This is actually a table which opens up, and I can also sit and do my makeup over here because it has a light. Over here on top I've stacked some of my extra stuff जो थोड़ा use करना होता है रोज के लिए. We have a center light in the middle. We have 2 lights on the side, and for both of us we have earplugs and eye mask. We also have a phone over here, and it has all kinds of extensions. You can basically call room service, you can call anyone. We also were given a welcome kit which has all the details, the itinerary, all the things that you need to know about the train, and I think we also have some stickers in here. The best part that I have not used yet is this TV. We have a TV inside this room. Imagine having a TV in a train. Talking of the bathroom, this is also a very comfortably sized bathroom. The toilet, yes, it
flushes. We have a shower inside a train. I used it this morning and I just couldn't believe. Not just the overhead shower, we also have a hand shower. And also we are given extra towels every single day. The room is fully serviced, so you can call for room cleaning, room service every single day. We have a smoke detector. We have speakers over here through which all the announcements happen. If you close the toilet door, there's a full-length mirror. Hi! And we have these cupboards. And I think the novelty of sleeping inside a train on such a massive bed, I think it's really cool. And I think that pretty much finishes the room tour. And at the end of each of these coaches where there are rooms, we also have just a very good meeting area in case you want to regroup and connect with your friends and have a little chat with them. There are in total 15 coaches over here, which I've mentioned, and each of the coaches has its own name, like Hoysala. We are currently in Shat Havana, and the bar is called Madeira. The restaurant number 1 is called Ruchi. So we are having dinner on day 2 now, and we both ordered the vegetarian thali. The food was very tasty, but what stood out to me was the preparation and planning that must go behind the scenes of pulling these kinds of meals off on a train. I couldn't help but notice chef and the staff and realize how much effort they put into it. For me, this and the social evening made the experience even more elevated. Thank you, chef.
Dance का भी प्रोग्राम है। जो टॉपिक इस ट्रेंड कस्टमर से
Good morning. It's a new day and we are in Tanjavur right now in Tamil Nadu. So this morning we're here at Periykovi, also known as the Big Temple in English, and the structure is absolutely beautiful. और आज Monday है, but फिर भी यहाँ पे बड़ी भीड़ है, which just shows how popular and significant this temple is. So we are standing at the stunning entryway of the Big Temple, which was built in 1010 by the famous Chola dynasty emperor Raja Raja. And my first impression is that the architecture is so stunning. It houses the largest Shivlinga of India. This is the heaviest Hindu temple in India and यहाँ का आर्किटेक्चर बहुत मिस्टीरियस है। सबसे पहले तो ये डोम जो 80 टन के सिंगल ग्रेनाइट ब्लॉक से बनी है, जिसे बिना किसी क्रेन के सोचो 1000 साल से भी पहले मंदिर की ऊंचाई पे कैसे पहुंचाया गया। एंड मंदिर की कंस्ट्रक्शन में कोई सीमेंट, मिट्टी या बाइंडिंग एजेंट नहीं यूज हुआ, बस ग्रेनाइट को काट के इंटरलॉकिंग स्टोन से बना है। पर फिर भी बनने के टाइम जब महाराजा ने आर्किटेक्ट से पूछा ये मंदिर गिरेगा तो नहीं, तो उन्होंने कहा मंदिर क्या, इसकी परछाई भी नहीं गिरेगी। और सच में पीक आफ्टरनून में इतने ऊंचे विमान की कोई शैडो नहीं दिखती। मंदिर में एक सिंगल 20 टन के पत्थर से बने शिवलिंगम है और एंट्रेंस पे एक सिंगल पत्थर से बनी नंदी की मूर्ति। I absolutely love this temple. It is so beautiful. All of these gates over here are made of granite, and the sculptures here represent different moments from the life of Lord Shiv. And the one on the previous gate was actually from the dancing match between Parvati ji and Shiv ji. They are just so beautifully made and depicted. So I just came out of the temple complex and I can't believe that this temple was built more than 1000 years ago, because every sculpture, every depiction of every story is so well made, and it is also so well preserved, and this happens to be a UNESCO World Heritage Site, of course. And praying to Shivji over here felt like I was here at a very auspicious place. I would highly recommend you come and experience this for yourself as well. I've been going around the temple and I'm so happy to see that I also have subscribers in Tamil Nadu.
Subscribe to Tanya Ganijo.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
तमिल में कहा सब्सक्राइब करिएगा।
One feature of this temple that really took me by surprise is that there are 252 Shivlingams which are around the temple outside the main temple complex. We also have a Ganesh temple. We also have Nandi structures, so almost 1108 Nandi structures which are outside the temple. And we also have a main temple which is devoted to a grand structure of the Nandi. In this entire passageway around the temple complex, you can see the 252 Shivlingams. They're all housed inside these structures. And even taking a whole round around this temple, I'm absolutely flabbergasted at this architecture. And मंदिर से बाहर निकलते ही मुझे एक गजरे की स्टॉल मिल गई, and I really wanted to get nice smelling jasmine flowers for my hair. By the way, the train is running now, and I just got back to my room before lunch to notice that the room is fully made. So every day when you leave your room, it'll get fully cleaned up, the toilet, the bed, everything is going to be fully refreshed for you before you spend the next day in the rooms. It's actually like a 5-star hotel. So today for the rest of the day I'm wearing a sari. Vinci is helping me. Here is the finished look. I look so pretty. Thank you so much. Okay. I'm so grateful to you. Oh my gosh, the gajra, the sari, everything is so amazing. Thank you. So we've now reached Karaikudi Junction and this is where we are leaving from for Chettinad. So the first place that we've come to is the Atagundi Palace. The Chettinad mansions are a prominent example of the region's opulent architecture. 1800s में चेटियार families इंडिया में बहुत अमीर थी. ये हमारे OG NRI millionaires थे क्योंकि साउथ ईस्ट एशिया में ट्रेड, बैंकिंग एंड मनी लेंडिंग में इनका नाम आगे था. और जब ये लोग पैसा कमा कर वापस आए तो 1-2 बंगलोज नहीं 100 कमरे वाले मैंशंस बना के गए जहाँ कोर्टयार्ड्स, पिलर वाले वरांडा और हैंडमेड टाइल से सजी जमीन मौजूद है. एंड ये गर्मी में भी नेचुरली कूल रहते हैं बिकॉज इन्हें बनाने में लाइम प्लास्टर एंड एग व्हाइट्स, जी हाँ, अंडे यूज हुए हैं. But this place in particular is also famous for tiles and we are going to be visiting a tile factory after this as well. These what I'm holding in my hand are the Atagundi tiles and we are currently at a tile factory over here. Then we were explained how Atagundi tiles are made. On glass, they place a cast iron stencil of a desired design and unlike machine pressed mosaics, these are handmade, so no electricity required. But of course, anything handmade is always more special because it has its quirks and a story to tell.
And then it should be completely immersed in water at least for a week to gain strength. Unlike machine made, the corners and these are not so perfect.
And these were originally developed because in the yesteryears, tiles were being imported from Britain. And the local people of this area realized that it's getting more and more expensive to fix them and to send them back. And they started their own trademark style of tile making. And they're also made by locally sourced materials like local sand, silica. It is just a local piece of handicraft that I think deserves to be preserved. And then I also met an old friend, Sarah, who's also on the train. This is Chef here. He's gonna whip up some dishes for us. So guys, I don't know if you remember this, but back in Australia, when I visited for T20, I met Sarah Todd. She is also a former contestant of MasterChef Australia, a very renowned chef, and also has a restaurant in Goa called The Sanctuary.
We bonded over dessert, so we made the white kookaburra cricket ball.
Yes.
So I know she loves food.
With her, I tried some Chettinad cuisine because she specializes in food and it was so delicious. यहाँ के मसाले, bold flavors और rich curries world famous हैं और यहाँ आके वही असली Chettinad taste मिल रहा था.
Oh my gosh, it was so amazing. I can't believe how tasty everything was.
Kochi. Kerala में.
Today is day 4 and we have entered into Kerala.
Welcome to Kochi.
So now we are at Fort Kochi, which is actually one of my favorite areas in Kochi. I've been here before, and the first site that the tour has brought us to is the St. Francis Church. It's actually one of the oldest European churches in India. It was built in 1503. And do you know that Vasco da Gama, the Portuguese explorer, was actually originally buried here, but then later on relocated to Lisbon. By the way, this what you're seeing behind me is the world's first ever water metro, and it takes you from Kochi to Fort Kochi in just 20 rupees per person. The reason why I really like Fort Kochi is because it has some very vibrant, very well-colored houses over here. Also, some very good cafes, some good coffee, or also if you want to have some vegan food, they have vegan cafes as well.
यार कमाल के शहर है यार. अच्छा केरला मेरा फेवरेट.
So right now, we are going to watch a performance of Kathakali. So Kathakali is a form of storytelling through expressions where the artists do not say anything but they express everything through dance and through their expressions, and obviously there's emotive makeup on their face as well. And I'm sure you know of Kathakali or you've seen some pictures here and there, but to see a performance in person, it's incredible. We had a very simple story of a demon's sister who goes to heaven to pick up women for the demon, but then she falls in love with the main lead character and she tries to seduce him, but he does not like her advances and ultimately gets so angry at her that he slashes off her ear, her nose and her breast. So that was a story that was enacted and I think it was incredibly well done.
क्या बात.
Right, Mal. Ronald.
Very good help you made of me. Woo! That was really good, you're right. Look at my hair. After an amazing day, we are here back to the station and the Golden Chariot is here. We're going to take us back from Alapura to Bangalore. So this was the final itinerary that the train took us on, but one of my favorite times on this train was the last evening. We all got dressed for Indian night in clothes, which the staff has very kindly sent to all of us to our rooms, and for some reason, they're perfect sizing. The food is so good. And then we danced the night away. मुझे तो dance करना बहुत पसंद है, and it felt like all passengers were one big family. Young Tanya thought that this was just going to be an expensive, luxurious affair that was out of reach. But today it felt like this trip was educational, fun, and my heart felt heavy that tomorrow we would all say bye.
Still with you.
There was a celebration in the air, and for me, even this couple celebrating their 49th anniversary felt emotional. He's learning how to make a pina colada so that he can imitate that at home as well. And then Ishan took some bar lessons from Manjunath ji, and maybe for just one night, it felt like life is just fun, no questions asked. हमने Manjunath ji को promise किया था that on the final day we will try his most potent cocktail, and believe me, ये दिखने में तो बहुत beautiful थी, but it burnt my insides.
Don't stop it!
फिर आया अगले दिन का क्यूट सा ब्रेकफास्ट एंड आई चोज अ चीप मील ऑफ छोले भटूरे.
छोले भटूरे. सफर खत्म.
फिर ट्रेन से उतर के आई एक्सपीरियंस्ड माई लाइफ मोस्ट हार्टफेल्ट ग्रैटिट्यूड एंड सम एक्सट्रीमली हार्ड गुड बाइज.
Bye. See ya. Have a great day, everyone. Bye bye.
मजना जी.
Bye bye.
All the best. So finally, ये एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा? To be honest, it felt like an extraordinary
यार
journey.
कमाल की थी जर्नी नहीं.
And with this, we come to the very end.
बिल्कुल.
मैं कहता हूँ कि ऐसी ट्रेन की जर्नी हो तो क्या ही कमाल की, लेकिन
अच्छा
टिकट तो चेक करो भाई. $4,000 यहाँ के 12 लाख रुपए. 12 नहीं तो 12 नहीं तो 11.5 लाख रुपए 5 दिन
अच्छा,
के
बीच
अंदर.
बीच में ट्रेन रुकती भी थी काफी घंटे टेम्पल्स में, और
तो वो आपको विजिट कराती. इतने पैसे यार, पाकिस्तानी 11.5 लाख रुपए और इंडियन जो है 3.5 लाख रुपए.
एंजॉय भी बहुत
3.5 ही नहीं, इंडियन बल्कि 4 लाख रुपए होंगे. $4,000 4 लाख इंडियन. करो बात. तो आपको वो एक्सपीरियंस मतलब कि मिलता है ये वैसे तो मतलब कि जो पैसे वाले हैं वही ये कर सकता है, जिसके पास
हम्म
पैसा नहीं वो घर ही बैठा रहे
हम्म
हमारी तरह। लेकिन जो जिसके पास पैसा है ना,
हम्म
वो मतलब कि ये जो मौका है वो हाथ से नहीं गवाए।
हम्म
यार ट्रेन को मैं कहता हूँ कि यार ऐसी ट्रेन तो जिंदगी में पहले कभी नहीं देखी।
हाँ, हर चीज की सुविधा है,
हर
जिम
जगह जिम,
और
स्पा,
स्पा, हर
यानी
चीज की
मसाज के लिए
सुविधा।
आपको। अच्छा, वो जो बेडरूम था
हम्म
उसके बाद प्लेट्स लगी हुई थी, जिसका मतलब कि बुकिंग हुई थी
हम्म
उनकी प्लेट्स लगी हुई हैं।
हम्म
आप अगर हस्बैंड वाइफ हैं तो आपकी प्लेट लगी हुई
अच्छा,
है।
हर नए दिन मतलब हर चीज चेंज करते हैं, नई चीज, जैसे
हाँ,
हाँ,
टॉल्स। और मतलब कि जो बेड की मतलब कि
शीट्स वगैरह
आप
है।
जब घूमने जाते हो तब पीछे जो है आपकी
हाँ
बेडरूम की मतलब कि पूरी प्रॉपर सफाई और
हाँ
सेटिंग की जाती है।
जी,
और
क्या
हर चीज़ मतलब
बात है।
अच्छा, इन्होंने ना हर चीज़ एक मतलब कि प्रॉपरली दिखाई है
हम्म
और बहुत ही क्लीन तरीके से समझा है। हमें
हम्म
तो मतलब कि इंग्लिश थोड़ी कम ही आती है,
जी, पर
तो
समझ आई है।
लेकिन काफ़ी कुछ समझ में आया।
हम्म
अच्छा, ये जो मतलब कि बेडरूम में आपको टच वॉशरूम में भी मिलेगा, और मतलब कि टीवी वगैरह आपको हर चीज़ की सुविधा मिलेगी।
हम्म ऐसा लगा कि ये बहन और हमारे भाई हैं इस वीडियो में थे,
हाँ,
उन्होंने इस वीडियो में मतलब इस जर्नी में जो है वो अपनी पूरी लाइफ जो एंजॉय कर रहे हैं।
इंजॉय कर ली, इसे इसे तो कहते हैं लाइफ,
हम्म
घूमना फिरना आज़ाद।
हम्म
लेकिन जो घूमने से आपको एक्सपीरियंस बहुत आता है,
हाँ, ये भी है बहुत ज्यादा।
घूमना चाहिए।
हम्म
लेकिन काफ़ी बार मैंने सुना है मतलब कि काफ़ी एक्टर्स या कोई मतलब कि जो भी मशहूर आदमी हैं,
हम्म
उन्होंने कहा है कि जो अगर आप घूमते हो तो आप लोकल ट्रेन्स या बसों में ट्रेवल करो।
हाँ, उसमें मजा ही और है।
मैं कहता हूँ इसमें मज़ा है।
इसमें भी मजा है, उसमें भी मजा है, दोनों में मजा है, पर इसमें जो है तो कुछ ज्यादा ही मजा है।
हाँ, तो पैसे भी तो लगेंगे ना।
हाँ,
पैसे हो तो मज़े ही
पैसे
मज़े।
के हिसाब से मजा मिलता है।
तो यानी दिल तो करता है कि यार घूमें फिरें,
हम्म
पर जब पैसे नहीं होते ना फिर बंदा जो है क्लोज हो जाता है।
हम्म
सबसे पहले जो है अपनी आ, जेब को देख के, वो कहता है ना सियाने कह के गए हैं कि जितनी चद्दर हो पैर उतने ही फैलाने चाहिए।
हम्म
वो तो हर किसी को अपने हालात, वो हर कोई अपने हालात से खुद ही वाकिफ होता है, तो वो हर किसी को ऐसा मौका नहीं मिलता।
हम्म अच्छा, मस्ती भी बहुत होती है।
हाँ।
मतलब कैसे हो रही थी, और वो ओल्ड जो लोग थे उन लोगों ने
अच्छा,
शादी
एक
की
वो
थी।
मंदिर दिखाया दिखाया था शिव जी का।
हम्म
वो कह रहे थे 80 टन का, वो जो ऊपर मंदिर के सबसे टॉप पर जो गुंबद रखा हुआ है,
हम्म
80 टन का पत्थर, और एक ही पत्थर को काट के बनाया गया है।
क्या बात
और
है।
उस जमा आज से 1000 साल पहले वो मंदिर बना था, तब उसको किस चीज से वहां रखा होगा यार।
हम्म
तब तो इतनी हैवी मशीनरी वगैरह भी नहीं थी। और आर्किटेक्चर देखो वहां का। राजा ने पूछा, जिस आर्किटेक्चर ने बनाया था, जिस मतलब कि ये इंजीनियर ने वो मंदिर बनाया था, उससे पूछा कि ये मंदिर टूटेगा तो नहीं, गिरेगा तो नहीं? कि
और उन्होंने
मंदिर
कहा
तो
था।
क्या, इसकी परछाई भी नहीं गिरेगी।
हम्म
मुझे वो मंदिर बहुत प्यारा लगा। और
बहुत ज्यादा।
केरला की तो क्या ही बात है, मुझे केरला बहुत पसंद है।
हम्म,
तब से
क्या बात
जब
है।
से वो हमने देखी था ना मूवी बागी,
हम्म
तब तब से मुझे केरला इतना पसंद है, हद से भी ज्यादा। और पहले मतलब कि वो एक और फिल्म आई थी सिर्फ तुम।
हम्म
केरल में गर्मी है, नैनीताल से सर्दी भेजो,
अच्छा।
वो वाली फिल्म। उसमें मतलब कि केरला को दिखाया था, पर जो बागी मूवी में केरला को दिखाया था ना, वो बहुत ही कमाल का था, मज़ा आ गया। तो भाई ये जो वीडियो थी बहुत ही कमाल की थी, हमें बहुत ही पसंद आई।
बहुत
अगर
ज्यादा।
आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और कमेंट करना ना भूलिएगा। इसी के साथ मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए जय
जय
श्री
श्री राम।
राम। और आपको इस वीडियो में क्या क्या अच्छा लगा ज़रूर कमेंट कीजिएगा, हमें बताइएगा ज़रूर।